Indulge in island luxury with this exceptional 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo at Coakley Bay Condominium on the vibrant east end of St. Croix. This end unit with western exposure promises a uniquely private experience, offering breathtaking panoramic views of the Caribbean Sea. The living room and adjacent gallery serve as the heart of this condo, a space where comfort meets elegance. The updated kitchen features modern sophistication with granite counters, inviting you to explore culinary delights while soaking in the stunning surroundings. The primary bedroom is a serene retreat adorned with its own private gallery and updated bathroom. Situated at restaurant and pool level, this condo offers seamless access to more culinary delights at the seasonal restaurant, in addition to leisurely dips in the heated pool. Contact David Fidelis, your Coldwell Banker real estate professional in St. Croix, for all the details on this property.